Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I am journaling as always in my A5 Hobonichi cousin Avec. And I hope that if you are new, that you enjoy your time here and get out your journal or your planner or whatever your heart desires, and let's just spend some time relaxing and being creative, or just putting stickers on paper, which is very therapeutic. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so you see the pile of junk surrounding my journal. A lot of times before I start, I will sift through all of my crap and find things that I feel like they could apply to what's going on lately in my life or in my thoughts, in my head, with my kids. Or it could just be a picture that I like or a quote somebody sent me. So sometimes I just get all that stuff around me, and sometimes I use it all, sometimes I use none of it, and I just see where the mood takes me. So first of all, I used my Sprocket to print out a couple of these little inspirational things that some of you sweet people had sent me a little email, say I'm thinking about you, and with just some like inspirational, little tidbits and quotes. And so I printed them out on my Sprocket, and they're just amazing. And they were really wonderful. And it just further solidifies the fact that we are best friends. So thank you. And I really appreciate all of your support. So I use the Pick Stitch app to kind of combine those. That's why the pictures are so small, because I didn't want it to take up too much room. And then I had that Hello Friends sticker and the little kind of arrow. Those are from the American Crafts Seasons sticker book that you see right there. I have several in the past. I've had several of those sticker books from Tuesday Morning, and I really enjoy them. They're perfect stickers for journaling and stuff like that, because there's just lots of different kinds and words and pictures, and I highly recommend those. But I think regularly priced, they're super expensive, which is dumb. So try and get them at Tuesday Morning if you can, because I think they're only like $7, $6.99, and there's a lot of stickers in there. So 10 out of 10 would recommend. So this little quote here says, "I don't want to fix you and I can't heal you, but maybe I can help you see just how beautiful your broken is. Each cracked piece fits into the masterpiece of who you are right now. And right now, I see a beautiful soul." I mean, come on, you guys. That is by L.K. Pilgrim, and it's beautiful. Makes me want to weep. It's so pretty. So thank you, Jamie, so much for that email. And I'm just overcome with happiness by the sweetness of all of you lovely people. So I wanted to put that in there. And I wanted to read it in case some of you need to hear it right now as well. So I was sent that gold H, and they put a note on it that said, "Use this when you journal about Henry." And so yesterday, or on Thursday, I had a little tidbit that I wanted to write in there about Henry, because I was real proud of him. He was playing Minecraft with a friend, like on, he had the headset on, like it's a friend that he knows from school, but he's older than him. So, and he had another friend over. This is a very confusing story. But at any rate, his other friend said something. I think he said the word frick. And all I heard was one-sided conversation, because I was in the kitchen making dinner and Henry was in the family room. And all I heard was Henry say, "Excuse me, I am in 3rd grade and I don't appreciate that word. It makes me feel uncomfortable. Can you not say that?" And I was like, oh my God, maybe I haven't totally screwed this whole mother thing up. Maybe it's all gonna be okay. And so I was just really proud of him. I don't know, like, it was so, I don't know. You get it. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. Like, sometimes you just feel like you're in like the fail boat of motherhood, not a sailboat, but the fail boat. And I actually felt like I wasn't failing at that moment. Like, they are listening to me. So I don't know, that was good. And then I put a picture of me and Kate and Susie sorting cookies, because we ended up putting in another random cookie order. And oh, and I flipped back a few pages to color in my cow and my horse, because I had forgotten to put the brown color in there because I was upstairs and didn't have my Mildliners. So anyway, Kate is our leader, and she is a spreadsheet junkie. Like, girlfriend is addicted to a spreadsheet. And so Susie found this t-shirt that says "Lady in the Streets freaking spreadsheets." And it was just so perfect. Kate wouldn't let us buy it for her because she's, well, she's English and she's kind of proper, and she would never wear it, but we adored it and it was perfect for her. So I had to doodle that. And it's like a computer on fire. She's a freak in the spreadsheets. She does things with Excel that I don't even know if the creators of Excel knew that you could do. So it makes cookie season a lot easier. And then I'm just putting in stickers. And that little rabbit sticker, I kind of liked it because it was like a sign. You know, it kind of just reminded me of like Henry sticking up for himself, like putting up a sign and saying, "No, please don't do that." Like, I mean, not exactly like, he wasn't sticking up for himself. It was just one of those situations where like he voiced his opinion and he stood strong in his conviction about something, you know, and I just was proud of him for that. And so I put that picture of a bird also, kind of spreading its wings, because, you know, I've talked about this, how I call my kids my little geese, my little gooses, and it just felt like at that moment he kind of spread his wings. Like, I don't know. This is a very bizarre voiceover. I apologize. So I turned it into a tip over, that little unicorn that says "You are one of a kind." I wrote about just kind of the situation. And the kids he was talking to are nice kids. Nothing was bad was happening. He just said that word and Henry didn't like it. And so, you know what I mean. They're not crazy kids. But anyways, so I just wanted to write about that. And then I used washi tape as a tip-in, and then stickers, just because I love stickers. Love and hearts and stars. And the page before that I had flipped to, that you guys saw, I added some extra washi to, is the lyrics to the song for King and Country, and the song is called "Burn the Ships," and I love that song. It's Christian music, but that's a lot of what I listen to in the car on a daily basis when my kids are there, and I just really love that song, and I love the lyrics, and so I printed them out, like in Canva. I made a little picture and printed them out. And I just love that. I love the whole idea of it. So I wanted that in my journal. And that's another thing you can do when you feel like you don't have anything to write about. You can just put in something that you like, that inspires you, or just a picture that you like. I mean, the magazines are full of so many images that are just beautiful. It doesn't have to apply to anything. If you like it and it makes you happy to look at that image or that picture or that text, put it in your journal. Just do it. I said it's okay. Somebody sent me these stickers, and they're awesome, and it said "Not today" work or homework, I can't remember, but I cut off the bottom part and I just said "Not today," and I put a hung and ding sticker in because Friday is the beginning of my work weekend. And if you're new here, I am a NICU nurse, and so I have the pleasure of working occasional weekends, as all nurses do. And so my weekend streak is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and so when you're all getting ready for your crazy weekend of debauchery, just think of me going to work. Which is awesome. It's okay. I love my job. When I get there, I'm happy to be there with my coworkers and everything. But you know how you just like have to amp yourself up about it and like convince yourself it's not going to be terrible. So anyway, first I wanted to draw Pusheen, the nurse cat. I am obsessed with Pusheen. I love Pusheen, and I did a whole like month of doodles in December, like 2 years ago, that was kind of Pusheen themed, and it was the happiest time of my life. And so this reminded me of that, and it just was so cute. She has a little stethoscope and is he a girl or a boy? I don't know. And a cup of coffee. I use my Mildliners and my fine liners, my Pigma Microns to color them in. And then I've been really into lettering with my Mildliners lately. I like to use the fat end to kind of thicken up the downstrokes, and I don't know, it just looks kind of cool. So anyway, I had this piece of collage from a Real Simple magazine of like this woman sitting on a couch, like just leisurely drinking a cup of coffee. And it just struck me like, that's not how your weekend is going to be. So I put that in there and then traced a circle around it, kind of like, nope. So I just kind of darkening up that red circle. And I think I put a piece of washi on it, kind of like it's like a stop sign or you know what I mean, like a cross out, like this is not gonna.
This voiceover, I don't have time to do it over, you guys. You're just gonna have to deal with it. I know it's bad.
My brain is in major squirrel mode, so I'm using more stickers that say "keep busy." That won't be hard, and then I pulled out a binder of, they're actually planner stickers. They aren't my normal journaling stickers, but I pulled out planner stickers and, oh, not yet, but I do put those around. And then I'm using my Pigma Microns to do my journaling. I have a bunch of the color ones. I really wish they would make more colors. I've been using those to write my journaling, and then also my Arteza Twi Markers or whatever. They're water-based ink, and I'm just afraid they're not like gonna last a long time. Would they fade or what? I'm not sure. I don't know if that makes any sense, but at any rate, I put a cup of coffee up in the corner because I did go and have coffee with my mom and dad early. And then those are the planner stickers I was talking about. Those are old from Dollar Tree. A couple years ago, Dollar Tree did a run of planner stickers, and I still have them. I just haven't ever really used them. And then I am throwing in some Mildliner hearts, and more on that in a second. I have been working really hard over the last 12 hours to figure out how to do some merch. And I did, and I am linking my storefront below, and it is through Teespring. And my store is called Emmylou's Fun Junk. And basically all it is my quote, just put a heart on it. And I couldn't say Mildliner because of copyright reasons, but check it out. And if you have any interest, then pull the trigger and tell me how much you enjoy it. I have samples on the way, so I haven't seen them in person yet, but I hope you guys enjoy it, and if it's majorly overly priced, then don't buy it. All right, I love you. Bye.